Hi, good day. Welcome to Excel Tips GH. My name is John and I'm going to be your tutor for this lesson. Yesterday we introduced ourselves to the outline of this course, and today we are beginning with the first lesson. In today's lesson we are going to get ourselves abreast with the new 2022 income tax graduated rates. This rate can be obtained from the Ghana Revenue Authority's website. So if you are in need of it, you search for it and then you copy and paste in your Excel. So we are beginning with some terms that we need to get ourselves abreast with. So assessable income is the income a person earns from employment, business and investment. But for this lesson, we are going to limit ourselves to an income from employment. Chargeable income is the assessable income less any allowable deduction, most especially reliefs. Now, the tax band in here refers to the cumulative income, which are taxable income under review 4. Let's take an example to better explain what our tax band is. So, in our example 1, Kwame earns an income or a basic income of 1,000. And in scenario 1, we are assuming that there is no SSNIT. Kwame doesn't pay SSNIT, although it is mandatory, but it is just an assumption. So the 1,000 becomes his chargeable income. Now, to look for our tax band, we move to the column of the cumulative income, beginning from the top, which is the first. So we are going to compare our chargeable income to the cumulative income to see where this 1,000 Ghana cedis fall. So our first 365 is less than the 1,000, so it can be a tax band. We move to our next, which is 475. It is also less than 1,000, so it can be a tax band. We move to the next, which is 605, which is also less, so we move to our next, which is 3,605. Here we realize that our chargeable income falls here, so this becomes our tax band. Now this whole line subsequently we are going to refer them as the tax band line, So let us use this example to calculate the tax Kwame has to pay on his 1,000 income. So we can now go to the formula. Now the formula says that to calculate the income tax, it is going to be the cumulative tax before the tax band line. So where are we talking about? Kindly pause and then try to see if you can get the concept. So the cumulative tax, where is the cumulative tax column? It is this side, and we are saying it is the cumulative tax before the tax band line. This is the tax band line, and before is this side. So this is what they are talking about. So we pick it and then we bring it here. So 18.50 cedis, and then let us go, and then we add what else? The tax band rate. What is the tax band rate? Here we move to the rate, which is this side. The tax band rate is going to be 17.5. Thank you for watching. We are going to continue in our next lesson. Sorry for the abrupt stop.